Cool beans. Hope everybody doing great tonight. I'm gonna jump right into it. As always, we start out with the dollar index because the dollar index gives us an overall view of which direction the other pairs that we trade, the currency pairs that we trade, what direction they're moving in. So looking at the dollar, going back to last week, um, wanted to see the dollar give us a sell off, and we did in the beginning of the week, and then we seen the dollar start to go bullish towards the end of the week, which is cool. What I'm looking at for the dollar now is to see if the dollar can break back above this price level here. If I could get this move out of the dollar in a retest and further move up, then of course this would be our next target level, but we have to see the dollar break this price level here first, this loose structure that you see here. You need to see price break this structure and retest it and respect it, hold this structure, and then we can look for the dollar to buy up to this next price level, which is 93.62, 93.70. Didn't see too much of a movement out of the dollar today because, like Kwame said, today is a holiday, U.S. holiday, so U.S. banks are closed. So that's why you don't see too much movement out of the dollar. So moving on to Euro USD, we're gonna be looking at Euro USD selling back down to retest this low at 1.1779 right here. Of course, we know that Euro USD moves opposite of the dollar. So if we're expecting the dollar to go bullish, then of course we're expecting Euro USD to go bearish. We should see this move um, sometime in between now and London Open, which is at 2 a.m. in the morning. So we'll have to wait and see. And when Euro USD gets down to this level, I want to see how it reacts to this level. Because if the dollar continues to sell, then we could very well have Euro USD come back up and capture this liquidity and retest this price level at 1.1902. So I'll be looking out for that to start the week out. We may start the week off selling Euro USD, and we could end the week off buying Euro USD. So it all depends on what the market shows us, tells us, and how the fundamentals, which is the news, how they affect the market as well. So moving on to GBPUSD, we're gonna have almost the same thing. Want to see Euro USD come down and retest 1.3093, and then see if we can get a reaction back up to retest this structure here. We could actually see GBPUSD go a little bit lower before you see that pullback. But anyway, we got to get here first, so I ain't gonna get too far ahead of myself. Let's get the sell down to here, which we should see. We should achieve this move between now, like I said, London open. So I'll be watching GBPUSD to see what she's doing between now and London. Moving on to NZD/USD. I want to see this move finish playing out. We have about 35 to 50 pips to see this move. This downward move here to sell. We have about 35 to 50 pips to see it finish playing out. And then once price get into this price zone right here, I would like to see how price react to this price zone. See if we get a respect of this zone here and see if we can get NZD to continue this upward move that we've been seeing. This is a good uptrend on the 4-hour time frame, so we're gonna see if we get this continuation or if NZD/USD dips below this zone and then give us a retest, and then of course we'll be looking to come back down, capture this liquidity down here, and then see where the market goes from there. So that's what I'm looking to start the week out for EURUSD, GBPUSD, and NZD/USD. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin gave us a good dip last week, came back down to retest this price here, price structure here at about 10,099. 9,500 and 10,000. So in between 9,500 and 10,000, we got price starting to accumulate right here. And I want to see price could accumulate here for a while, or we could see Bitcoin come back down and retest 8,900 before it continues the bull run to the upside. However, I want to see how Bitcoin acts between now and London open. So right now I'm just monitoring Bitcoin, not doing anything with Bitcoin right now. But I will let you know if I do see anything that sparks my interest, and I will send out the trade alert if I do see anything. Looking at silver, I want to see silver come back down and retest 26, 26.4 and 28.89 is zone here. And if the dollar continues to push to the upside here, I will expect silver to come back down and retest $25.13. 25.13 right here, this green line. So that's what I'm gonna be looking at for silver to start the week out with. Looking at gold, I want to see gold come back down and retest this low. As a matter of fact, not this low, but this low. No, yeah. Let me see. We are on the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, that's like 113 pips. But And if gold breaks this low right here and gives us a retest, depending on how aggressive the bearish move is, we break this low here, I will be looking for the retest to go ahead and sell gold back down to retest this low here at 1863. So that's what I'm looking at for gold. Oil still on the sidelines. Not messing with oil right now, so we're gonna keep it moving. US 30, Dow Jones Industrial Index average. Um, Looking at U30. U30 look real good for a sale right now. But I am gonna wait for this 4-hour candle to completely close, and then if we do get a bearish close of this candle, then I'm probably gonna start looking for a selling opportunity for U30. Thank you. Yeah, so this 4 o'clock candle is about to complete at the close of this hour. So at 9 o'clock, we'll have a new candle beginning to print. And so if this candle remains bearish like it is for the next 14 minutes, then I'm definitely going to start looking for selling opportunities on the smaller time frame. Just gonna go down to the hour right quick. Yeah. So we've already had the 3 candle formation form right here for a swing high. And this looks real good for a sale that down to this level, to this price level. That's a 250 pip move. And U30 could keep on pushing all the way back down to the grid. But it's definitely looking good for this sale here. Um, yeah. I'm probably about to go ahead and enter that. Yeah, as a matter of fact, I'm about to go ahead and sell U30 now. Yep, about to sell U30 now. Um, the stop loss gonna be about 100 pips. Gotta go above this high. Um, Take it down to this price level so that'll make my risk to reward um, at least 3 to 1, 1 to 3 risk to reward. Which is the rule of thumb we trade by. So yeah, I'm selling U30 now. Take profit will be 27,999. And that'll conclude the technical analysis for the beginning of the week, starting the week off this week. Does anybody have any questions about the technical analysis? Give me a second. I gotta unmute you guys. Okay, cool beans. Any questions?
No questions.
No questions.
Cool deal, cool deal, cool deal. Well, as always, man, I appreciate each and every one of you guys for tuning in. Hope you had a great weekend. Hope you enjoy the rest of your night. Let your family and loved ones know you love them while they're here. And as always, peace and love.
Good night, everybody.
Good night, everybody. I got late, but hey.
Peace and love, not everybody.